Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play King of the World on guitar. Start by tuning to standard, then form a simple chord progression using open shapes and a few bar variations. Practice the main riff slowly and count evenly, using downstrokes and occasional palm muting to lock the groove. Isolate transitions that trip you up, repeat them in short loops, and add dynamics once timing feels steady. Warm up your fingers with chromatic exercises, then place the open G and C shapes where the song needs resonance. Practice the main riff slowly, picking each note cleanly and keeping the low string tones round and defined. Work on the transition to M and D so your timing stays steady, and use light palm muting on the riff to achieve the punchy, driven sound the track needs for live and recording contexts. Start with a slow metronome and play a basic downstroke pattern, then add up stroke accents to match the song's feel. Focus on the backbeat and sprinkle light palm, muting into the rhythm to create contrast between parts. Practice the small lead fills using slides and hammer-ons lightly so they tastefully decorate the main melody without overpowering it. Record yourself to hear where dynamics and timing need tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.